This 2026 leisure travel wonder MTRH is a Class C RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new leisure travel and features a dove, white oak, min interior, sleeps 2, slide out. The floor plan layout of this Class C RV features Murphy bed. This 2026 leisure travel wonder MTRH is built on a Ford Transit dual rear-wheel chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.